In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize Wix site search to create a searchable directory. We'll walk through installing the Wix site search app, configuring what shows up in results, styling the search bar to match your branding, testing everything in preview, and finally publishing. By the end, your visitors will be able to find pages, posts, products, and more in just a few keystrokes. Start by installing the Wix Site Search app. In Wix Studio or the Wix Editor, head to the App Market. If you don't see it, you can also click Add and then Apps. In the search bar, type Wix Site Search, look for the official app, and click Add to Site. Give it a moment to install. When it's done, a new search bar will appear on your page automatically, so you have a starting point right away. Next, click the search bar element to open its settings panel on the right. Take a minute to explore these options. You can adjust the layout like placing a compact bar at the top or centering it on a directory page. Then review the visual style controls, including colors, fonts, borders, and background fills. Aim for a look that's legible and consistent with your site's typography and color palette. Now manage what the search actually returns. In the settings, open Manage Search Results. Choose the content types you want to include. This can be pages, blog posts, store products, or data collections. You can also reorder the priority by dragging items. So for example, products appear before blog posts if selling is your focus. Fine-tune behavior in Manage Search Settings. Toggle which sources are included so only relevant items show up. Adjust filters or change the relevancy order to push the most useful content to the top. When you're satisfied, make sure to save your configuration so these preferences are locked in. Style the search bar to match your brand. In the design section, set the font, family, and size, tweak text, border, and background colors, and decide between rounded or sharp corners. Set a comfortable width and height so it's easy to spot and tap, especially on mobile. High contrast between text and background improves readability. Before going live, test in preview. Click Preview at the top right to open your site in a sandbox. Try searching for a product name if you have a store, a blog topic or page name, or a staff member or service if you're building a directory. Confirm that results appear quickly, display the right content types, and link to the correct pages. When everything looks good, publish your site. Keep an eye